Hello friends, in this section we are going to discuss about finding the location of an element in the periodic table by using its electron configuration. For this, let us take two simple examples. One of them is sodium, and let us take one more element, vanadium. So first of all, let us say about sodium. As we know, its atomic number is 11. If we write the electron configuration of this element, we find it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So from this electron configuration, we can say its group number, period number, and the subgroup to which it is belongs, and even the block number also. First, let us find the group to which it is belonging in the periodic table. The group number of an element can be found based upon the valence electrons of that element. For the sodium, there are only one electron next to the valence shell. The number of valence electrons gives the group number of that element. So for sodium here now, the group number is 1, as it is having only one electron. Now, the second one, finding the period of an element. For sodium or for any element, the period number is given based upon the highest energy shell existing in the electron configuration. For sodium itself, the highest shell is third shell. That number itself gives the period number of the element. So for sodium, the period number is 3. The same can be defined another way also. The number of shells existing in the electron configuration gives its period number. So suppose for sodium there are 3 shells, first shell, second shell, and third shell. Total 3 shells are existing in this configuration, so it belongs to third period. This way also can be told. Next one, block. Finding the block. This block can be found based upon the existence of valence electron in a particular subshell. The subshell in which the valence electron existing gives the block of that element. For sodium itself, the last or valence electron is also can be defined as differentiating electron. The subshell in which the differentiating electron existing gives the block of that element. Here, so for sodium, the last or differentiating electron exists in S subshell. So it belongs to S block. And last one, subgroup of that element. This can be told based upon the block of that element. If the element belongs to S block or P block, subgroup will be A. If block element belongs to D block or F block, then it belongs to subgroup B. If element sodium is of S block element, then subgroup will be A. So it can be printed with the group number 1A or first A. The sodium belongs to first A group of the periodic table and belongs to third period, and it is of S block element. In this way, for every element based upon its electron configuration, its exact position in the periodic table can be predicted. Now let us see one more example, vanadium. We know as its atomic number is 23. Let us find its configuration first of all. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. This is the electron configuration of vanadium as we know. Now let us find the group number of vanadium. As we told already, the valence electrons, the number of valence electrons gives its group number. For vanadium, valence electrons are these. Because for the D block elements we have to consider ns2, n-1, d1 to 10. These all electrons should be considered as valence electrons. So for vanadium, there are totally 5 valence electrons, so it belongs to 5th group in the periodic table. And next one, period. As I told, the highest energy shell or highest energy level existing in the configuration gives the period number. By finding the highest here, the highest shell is fourth shell. So vanadium belongs to fourth period in the periodic table. Now the block. The subshell in which the differentiating electron existing gives its block. For vanadium, the differentiating or last electron exists in the D subshell. So vanadium belongs to D block and subgroup of this element. As I told already, if an element belongs to S or P blocks, this subgroup is A. If an element belongs to D or F sub blocks, its subgroup is B. Now vanadium is a D block element, so its subgroup will be B. We can say vanadium is of fifth D group element, it is present in the fourth period and it is a D block element. In this way, we can find exactly its group number, period number and the subgroup to which it belongs, even the block also, based upon the electronic configuration of the element.